Hi, my name is Harshadan Chaturvedi and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about state of Orissa and others versus Titagarh Paper Mills Company Limited and others. So in this case, the Indian Assessment Act 1882, Section 4, Orissa Sales Tax Act 1947, Section 9 Sales of Goods Act, Section 4 TPA Act, Section 3B Sales of Goods Act, Section 64A Madhya Pradesh Sales Tax, Section 4 Subsection 2 Section 5 Subsection 1 Registration Act, Section 2 Subsection 9 Sales of Goods Act, Section 2 Subsection 7 Constitution of India, Article 142, Article 226, Article 286 and Article 366 General Clause Act 1987, Section 3 Subsection 36 of the General Clause Act. The judgment was delivered by Justice D.P. Madon. The two appeals by the special leave granted by this court are against the judgment and order of the Orissa court allowing 209 writ petitions under Article 226 of the Constitution of India filed before it. Genesis of the appeals. On May 23, 1977, the government of Orissa in the Finance Department issued two notifications under the Orissa Sales Act 1947, Orissa Act 24 of 1947. We still hereinafter, for the sake of brevity, refer to this act as the Orissa Act. These constitutions were notification SRO 372 and 77 and notifications SRO number 373 and 77. Notification SRO 372 and 77 was made in exercise of powers conferred by Section 3D of the Orissa Act. Notification SRO number 373 and 77 was made in exercise of the powers conferred by the first provision to subsection 1 of Section 5 Orissa Act. We will refer to this notification in details in course of the judgment, but for the present suffice it to say that the notification SRO number 372 and 77 amended notification number 20209 CTA 1476F dated April 23, 1976 and made bamboos agreed to be severed and standing trees agreed to sever the liability to tax on the turnover of purchase. With effect from June 1, 1977, while dated April 23, 1979, and directed that the tax payable by a dealer under Orissa Act on account to the purchase of bamboos agreed to the severed and standing trees agreed to the severed would be at the rate of 10%. After the promulgation of December 29, 1977 of the Orissa Sales Tax Ordinance 1977, which amended the Orissa Act, the two another notifications were issued on the December 29, 1977 by the government of Orissa in the Finance Department, namely notification and notification number 1970-181 CTA. The first notification was expressed to be made in exercise of the power conferred by Section 3B of the Orissa Act and in suppression of all the previous notifications issued on the subject. By the said notification, the said government declared that the goods sell out in the schedule to the said notification were liable to be taxed over the turnover of purchase with effect from January 1, 1978. Entries number 2 and 17 in the schedule to the said notification specified bamboos agreed to the severed and standing trees agreed to be severed respectively. Thank you.